A plow tractor. You're doing really great. Let's put the refueling gun in the tank. Look at the indicator. It shows how much fuel there is in the machine. Pump. We did it! Let's prepare the soil for growing sunflowers. Let's start foaming the machine. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Now let's wash off the rest of the foam. We did it! Let's assemble a seeding machine. Hooray! Let's fuel the seeding machine. That's all. Let's plant the sunflower seeds. We need to wash the seeding machine. We did it! Let's assemble a self-propelled sprayer. We did it! Let's fuel the self-propelled sprayer. Keep it up. Let's fertilize the soil for quick growth of sunflowers. And now let's wash the self-propelled sprayer. That's all. We need to assemble a pickup truck. Ready. And now we need to fuel the pickup truck. You're doing really great. Let's put up a scarecrow to keep the birds away. We need to wash the pickup truck. Ready. We need to assemble a pickup harvester. Don't stop. Let's fuel the pickup harvester. harvest time. Now let's wash the pickup harvester. You're doing really great. First, let's assemble a grain truck. That's all. First, let's fuel the grain truck. Keep up the good work. Let's prepare the seeds before pressing the sunflower oil. We need to wash the grain truck. You're doing really great. We need to assemble a market truck. You're doing really great. And now we need to fuel the market truck. Done! Let's bottle the sunflower oil. Great! We've produced sunflower oil. Let's wash the market truck. Keep it up. We need to assemble a mini bulldozer. Keep it up. Let's fuel the mini bulldozer. Keep up the good work. Let's remove the upper soil layer and add some fertile soil. We need to wash the mini bulldozer. You're doing really great. First, let's assemble a covered truck. Don't stop. First, let's fuel the covered truck. Don't stop. Let's install the drip irrigation system. And now let's wash the covered truck. Keep up the good work.